to go outside. I want to go see the chickens. Where are they at? Let's go. Let's go. I want to go. Oh, look. There they are. There they are. What are y'all doing? What are you doing? Where are you going? There you are. Hey, you want to play? Let's play. I want to go play. Let's play chase. I'll chase you first. There we go. Come on, come on. I'll chase you. Where are you going? Why are y'all running in circles? That's not how you play the game. Crazy chicken. That's it. That's what you do. You run from me. Hey, what are these? What are these little things? Mama says one of these are a squirrel. Doesn't look like any squirrel I've ever chased. Wonder if it'll run up a tree like a squirrel. What's that? What is that? Let me smell it. Oh, I smell something like food. What is that? Can I have some of that? Get away from there. That's mine. I want some food. Somebody give me some food? I'm not sure I can reach it. Maybe if I sit here and look cute enough, somebody will give me some. I'm cuter than you things. Come on. Maybe I can reach it. Maybe. Let me try. Nope, no food. That's not food. I don't want that. I think I'll just lay down and take a nap. What's that cat doing? What is that cat doing? He's gonna eat them chickens. He's gonna eat them. Somebody help. He's gonna eat them. Do I need to pounce him? Maybe not. Maybe he figured it out. Hey, I want to go outside and see the chickens again. Can we go? Come on, what's taking you so long? Let's go. Let's go. Come on, follow me. Come on, I want to go see the chickens. Let's go, right out this door. Yeah, let's go. I want to see the chickens. There they are, there they are. Ha ha, I chased you good now. Where are you going? Ha ha, I got you. Maybe not. I don't think y'all really know how to play this game. You're not supposed to get stuck in a corner. Where are you going? I don't think you know what you're doing, chicken. I don't think these things are too smart. Let's go up here and see what these chickens are doing. Ooh, look, there's something here. Look, look. What is all that? Those look like rocks. Look, I found something. I'm so proud of myself. What is it? What is it? I'm tired. I think I want to go in. All this chasing chickens wore me out. Ooh, there's some things I found outside. What's going on? I thought those were rocks. Rocks don't split open like that. What is that? It's furry. What's that behind it? I see something moving. What is that? It's moving. That rock's alive. They're little babies. They're little mini chicks. Chickens, that's not a door. You can't get out there. What are you trying to do? Oh, are y'all in timeout? I get in trouble sometimes too. And get put in timeout. But I'm not allowed to move. are y'all doing? They ain't too smart at that age, are they? What is that? What's on my back? Who is that up there? What's this thing doing to me? I'm not sure I like this. I'm not sure I like this thing. What is that? Get off of there. Hey, you. Get down. Get down. That's right. You get down. You smell kind of funny. Yeah, all right. I guess you can stay there. No, I'm done with you.